This is something that we've been building towards deliberately and intentionally for a while now. There's a variety of objectives and directions that we're going with this and that we're building towards here. But there's a few enablers that I wanted to make sure that I discussed that kind of address a lot of what we just talked about. And first is being able to enable faster validation, right? Again, when development is moving at the pace that it's starting to move, we don't want performance teams to be the reason that a release gets held up. That's something that NeoLoad has always excelled at relative to a lot of other solutions out there, but it's a reputation and a standard that we can now take to new levels with AI. And the second is being able to enable broader coverage, because teams can't just be reliant on a small group of specialists who, again, are often already stretched very thin. That doesn't scale, right? So we want those specialists to focus their expertise on the right things, and we want AI to be able to help scale expertise more widely across other, maybe less technically or performance proficient teams, so that they also can start to contribute to performance outcomes in very, very meaningful ways. And we want to make sure that we're enabling less disruption, right? So a lot of teams, when we start working with them and we start getting them into the NeoLoad world, a lot of times performance testing is something that they're looking to mature, right? Because the way that they've been doing it and handling it is something that it's not embedded seamlessly into their workflows necessarily. It's sometimes retrofitted into their workflow, or it's bolted on. It's not seamless, right? There's heavier setup, again, specialist dependencies, sometimes complex, technically tools that require a lot of technical proficiency. And the result is often, again, teams that kind of often are treating performance as a one-time gate late in a release cycle rather than a continuous practice, or it's something that gets skipped altogether and they, again, roll the dice to maybe just monitor it in production. But production is not where we want to find performance issues. That's not an effective strategy. We want to be catching the stuff before things are in production. So what we want is testing that more easily fits into pipelines, that runs alongside development, and that doesn't require dedicated fire drills every time you need to see results. And that's something that AI and NeoLoad can really help teams to achieve more easily than ever before. So everything that we're going to kind of walk through today hits on some aspect of these things.